Good morning, welcome to a 2 and 2 on Friday the 8th of August. This is Kim Watson speaking for Easy Trader. Okay, looking at the euro dollar first, and as you can see yesterday, well, let's just make it a bit clearer actually. We put in a, well, I'll draw it here, we put a higher high in effectively from the previous days, but then put a low in which, well, is a slightly higher low, but not necessarily confirmed higher low at the moment. Trend is still very much to the downside, and strong trend to the downside. We still do have some RSI divergence on the dailies there, so still a bit of divergence there. It's not a confirmed downward move, but a break of really, actually, sorry, I'll bring the 4 hourly back into play, and a break of these lows may just sort of suggest further downside really, and it'll be something I'll be looking for in the morning, this morning. So a break of those lows. However, if we can get a shove up, or maybe we could test the 50, yesterday's highs again, that will certainly provide us some resistance. Not a lot of news out today, which will affect the euro dollar as such. So not expecting any news-based type moves, so it could well and truly end up as an inside day within that 50 MA and the trend line. As I say, if it breaks the trend, well, to me it looks like a good short opportunity. Okay, looking at the pound dollar, again, no significant news coming out. We broke yesterday's trend line there. Let me just remove that. Let's bring a daily into play first. You can see we broke, we've made some new lows since the sort of early part of June there. So heading off again into low territory, still heading down towards that 200 at the moment, it would appear. But again, we've got some divergence here, so whether this holds, we'll see. It's got a long way back before its daily pivot today. Let's just show you on the hourly there, a long way back, about 32 pips at the moment. If it did start rallying up, well, that maybe even seal it for the day. Again, I don't see a huge ranges today, unless we do some new sort of news hits the markets, whatever. But at the moment, I wouldn't be surprised if it being a Friday, we end up in a relatively tight range. As we did yesterday, actually, it wasn't a massive range, so a run back up towards that daily pivot may top it out. A break of the lows again, we're in sort of new low territory. Could see us come down to the monthly, the daily S3 sort of area there. From that picture on the monthlies, we haven't got much in the way until we get down to the monthly S1 area, so quite a long way down before we find some further support there. Okay, that's it for me. Hope you have a great one. Bye for now.